Welcome back, everyone! In today's video, we're diving deep into the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier, a fantastic addition to any home. Whether you're looking to enhance your sleeping environment, create a comfortable nursery for your baby, or keep your indoor plant healthy, this humidifier is designed to meet those needs. We'll explore its features, benefits, and why it might just be the perfect choice for you. So, let's get started. The LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier is designed to add moisture to the air, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms, nurseries, and even living rooms. With its impressive 2.5-liter tank capacity, it can effectively humidify large spaces without the need for constant refills. This means you can enjoy a comfortable atmosphere without the hassle of frequent maintenance. One of the standout features of this humidifier is its ultra-quiet operation. At just 28 decibels, it's whisper quiet, making it perfect for nighttime use or for creating a serene environment in a baby's nursery. Parents can rest easy knowing their little ones won't be disturbed by loud appliances. The Top Fill design is another major convenience. Refilling this humidifier is as simple as removing the lid and pouring water in from the top. This eliminates the mess often associated with bottom fill models, making it much easier to maintain. Plus, with a 25-hour runtime, you won't have to worry about running out of water in the middle of the night. Safety is also a key concern with any household appliance, and the LEVOIT humidifier addresses this with its auto shut-off feature. When the water tank is empty, the humidifier automatically turns off, preventing any potential hazards. This is especially reassuring for families with children or pets, as it ensures peace of mind while the device is in operation. Moreover, the BPA-free construction means that you can use this humidifier without worrying about harmful chemicals being released into the air. This is a significant plus for health-conscious families who prioritize safety in their home environments. For plant lovers, the LEVOIT humidifier is a game changer. It produces a cool mist, which is beneficial for maintaining the ideal humidity levels for your indoor plants. Keeping your plants properly hydrated is essential for their health, and this humidifier can help create a thriving indoor garden. In terms of design, the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier is sleek and modern, making it a great fit for any room decor. Its compact size means it won't take up much space, yet it packs a punch when it comes to performance. Whether you need to relieve dry skin, soothe respiratory issues, or simply create a more comfortable living space, the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier is an excellent choice. It's versatile enough for various uses, whether you're using it in the bedroom, living room, or nursery. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier. I hope this review has been helpful and informative, giving you insights into why this humidifier could be the perfect addition to your home. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Your feedback is always appreciated. Until next time, take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.